It's a pretty hench building. Oh, backstroke. It's tasty though. Be Sergio Ramos. So I thought that I would make some more videos. Made quite a few in quarantine, and I quite enjoyed doing that. I really enjoyed making like travel little ones, literally just filming with a GoPro. Found it quite interesting. So I thought, why the hell not this year? Make some more videos. I thought, obviously living in China is quite a cool, a different place to live anyway. And I thought, why not show people what it's like to live here? So basically I live here, South China, Guangzhou. Let's put it here, South China. So I took my camera out this weekend, went exploring, climbed Baiyun Mountain and went to an ecological park because it's both economical and logical. Basically, thought I'd make these videos, gonna try and get a few videos out, maybe like one every 2 weeks or something, of what life's like here, anything interesting. So, we've come into the city to climb Baiyun Mountain. He has gone in to get a coffee, so I'm gonna walk up this outside escalator. Big buildings. Cool, right? Massive. Thing here, look, you look at it for 3 seconds and then it gives you toilet paper. Fucking weird, isn't it? Cool. China. The thing about China is the signs and the Chinglish that's on it. So we have no petting, and there is no pets or bicycling. So don't bicycle in. Aha, we're in. Or you can just walk around the side. And if you're feeling lazy, you can just get a bus the whole way up. Lydia did just make a good point. Also, if you're not very able to climb the or walk, for the last sort of like 10 minutes, there's been the singing, and it's haunting, to say the least. I don't know if you can hear that, but someone has got an absolute cracking pair of lungs on them. Just finished climbing Baiyun Mountain. We went in at the west gate, which is this one, and finished at the west gate. We did like a horseshoe-shaped thing. I think there's a hell of a lot more to see, so we'll have to come back again.
Kind of like a Chinese store.
So yeah, the ecological park was just a normal park. But if you want to see what life's like here, I'll leave a link to my YouTube rather than spamming on Facebook. He's pushing him with his foot. If you want to see things like they're a little bit different. Yeah, subscribe to YouTube. Hopefully, there'll be some good things on there. You'll probably be my 4th follower. Subscriber. Right, ciao. Oh, want a kiss?